Well, time is now 5:14. Let's get back over to Lauren Boswick with the latest on our first alert forecast. Lauren, yesterday was certainly one of the hottest days that it felt like in the entire year. And you talked about a little cool down, and now all of us are like on the edges of our seats. Like, when is it coming our way?
Well, as we move into midweek, Carmen, that's when we're expecting temperatures to get a little bit cooler. Now, 100 degrees sounds a whole lot better than 109, right? Yesterday, we got to the hottest day of the year, and the hottest day that we've seen since 2023. This temperature yesterday, not only was it the hottest day of the year, but it also scorched the previous record that was set back in 1952 and 2010. That record, by the way, was 107 degrees, and we got to 109. It was extremely hot. Today, we're going to be expecting record-breaking heat once again. Now, the potential is going to be up there for, again, very hot conditions as we move throughout the rest of this week, but it's not looking like record-breaking heat as we progress into the latter part of the week. Thank goodness. Extreme heat warnings are in effect as we continue through the day today due to the dangerously hot conditions. But let's talk about the fire danger that's going to be associated with that. We are going to hold on to winds from the southwest, gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour today. We have increased fire danger because of the low relative humidity levels into the afternoon, above average temperatures, and of course, gusty winds. So any flame that does ignite, it could spread very rapidly. Just please make sure you avoid any activities that may cause a spark or a flame. Chance of rainfall actually have a very small potential, so only a few lucky folks will be getting that. However, there is a slight glimmer of hope into the upcoming days. Let's go ahead and get you into the details on what to expect through the rest of the day today. Extreme heat warning in effect for temperatures up to 110 to 112 today. That's the heat index value for some of us here across the Metroplex. But again, make sure you're taking those heat precautions seriously. It's going to be dangerously hot. It's already hot as you head out the door. 86 degrees in Fort Worth, 88 in Dallas, 85. Good morning to you, Waxahachie. That's the case in Bowie as well. Temperatures quickly climbing into the upper to middle 90s by lunchtime. High temperature will top out right around 108 degrees today. Yes, this would be record breaking if we get to that 108 degree mark. Previous record was set back in the day at 107 degrees. Because it's windy, above average temperatures anywhere along and to the west of the I-35 corridor has elevated fire danger because of what we just talked about. Those gustier winds, dry conditions could spark up the fire and spread it very rapidly if any fire does ignite. Now, dry conditions right now here across the radar. There is a little bit of activity. I'm tracking into Arkansas as well as Oklahoma. Stalled frontal system may pop up a shower later on tonight for the Arklatex, but all of us are likely to stay dry here across North Texas. Let's talk about tomorrow morning, maybe a stray shower due to a short wave that'll pass through. Generally speaking, most of us will likely stay dry, and that'll be the case into the afternoon. Another small chance for some precipitation is back into the region as we head into Wednesday. But look at this, 108 today, temperatures around 100 degrees by the end of the week. At least it'll be a little bit better.